This is a simple but effective trading system that can work on the Forex currency market, the American stock market, as well as on commodity markets. In this example, we will analyze several tools: EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY, UK Brent, AA Alcoa, Baba Alibaba, FB Facebook, MCD McDonald's, MSFT Microsoft, PYPL PayPal, Visa. So, the trading system consists of three indicators: exponential moving average with a value of 90, exponential moving average with a value of 30, and MACD. The strategy works on the breakdown of levels in the direction of the trend and is based on two time charts, daily and hourly. This system will show excellent results during strong movements. In order for the system to show high profitability, it is necessary to choose instruments that have a pronounced positive or negative news background. It is better not to consider instruments with low volatility and the absence of a directional trend to work with it. First, let's determine the trend. To do this, we use two indicators: EMA 30, short green line; EMA 90, long red line. If the short line is higher than the long one, then the trend is up and we can look for an opportunity to buy. Sale is prohibited. If the long line is higher than the short one, then the trend is down, and we can only consider selling. Purchases are prohibited. The usual MACD does not make it possible to paint the zones in different colors. I will use an additional indicator just for visual convenience. If you want to download it, you can find the link in the description of the video. MACD shows the strength of bulls and bears. If the histogram is above 0, then the bulls are stronger at the moment. If the histogram is below 0, then the bears are stronger. The best points to buy are places where bears are starting to weaken. And the best points for sale are places where bulls are weakening. So, terms of purchase. First, the upward trend is when the short line is higher than the long one. Second, the MACD is in the bear zone. In this case, the long-term trend is upward, but in the short term there is a sell-off and the bulls are stronger. Terms of sale. First, a downward trend is when a long line is higher than a short one. Second, the MACD is in the bull zone. In this case, the long-term trend is down, but in the short term there is a purchase and the bulls are stronger. Let's look at the operation of this system on other tools. GBP, USD. Zone for purchase. Area for sale. USD, JPY. Zone for purchase. UK Brent. Zone for purchase. Alcoa. Zone for purchase. Alibaba. Area for sale. FB Facebook. Zone for purchase. Area for sale. MCD McDonald's. Zone for purchase. MSFT Microsoft. Zone for purchase. PYPL PayPal. Zone for purchase. Visa. Zone for purchase. Area for sale. As you can see, this system is universal and suitable for any trend instrument. Now that you know how the daily chart works, let's go back to the EUR/USD currency pair. Let's move on to the second schedule 1 hour and look for entry points. We don't need indicators on this chart. We will only use the levels as an entry point. To begin with, we find the signal that we received from the daily chart. This is the point. Since we are allowed to search for points for sale, we need to determine the level of support behind which we will place a sell order. When the price breaks through it, we will be allowed to open short positions. Now we find the level below the price. The stronger the level, the better. Below this level, you can place pending sell orders. As we can see, this level has been successfully broken through and the downward movement is quite strong. We are looking for the next point that we received on the daily chart. This is the point. Another level below the current price and also a strong downward movement. Then the price rose higher and the daily chart again signals that we can look for a point to sell. This is the point. Here, most likely, the level will remain the same. Pay attention to the puncture of this level. The price broke through it, but did not go down, but first knocked out the stops that are most often located above the nearest highs and only after that went down. The size of this movement is more than 1,000 points. This is a pretty strong movement and most likely a stop loss would have worked and we would have been thrown out of the market. And only the second time the penetration really succeeded. The price broke through the level, then worked it out and went down. So we have 4 good points for sale in 7 months. Now the question, where to put exit points from the market and where to set a stop loss? It depends on your approach and trading style, as well as the size of the deposit. Either you will hold a position for a long time for the purpose of investing, or you may want to make a profit in a few days. The choice is yours, but we must always remember that trading should be with a positive mathematical expectation. No system will work without risk control. If you want me to tell you about how to set a stop loss and how to control the risk, how to determine market volatility, how to build a trading system with a positive mathematical expectation, write about it in the comments and I will definitely shoot a detailed video about it. I hope this video was helpful. Remember about risk control and positive mathematical expectation.